Japanese ramen is truly the best. Today, we'll explore why it has gained popularity worldwide. Ramen is loved globally for many reasons. Firstly, its diversity. From soy sauce and miso to salt and tonkotsu, there are numerous base soups. Each shop has its own unique recipe and is constantly evolving. Artisans work daily to provide the best bowl of ramen. One standout is tsukemen. Unlike regular ramen, it offers a new ramen experience. Tsukemen involves dipping noodles in a rich broth. At places like Rokurinsha, the broth is packed with seafood umami, rich yet refreshing. The thick noodles have a firm texture and blend well with the rich broth. Each store has its own specialties, like Rokurinsha's use of wheat germ noodles. The flavors stimulate the mind, with the broth delighting the palate and the noodles filling the mouth. You'll get to taste Japan in every bite. Next time you visit Japan, be sure to try tsukemen at Rokurinsha. A new world of ramen awaits you.